excitedly, we're going to be heading back to the Stitch Festival again this year. It's going to be on the 20th to the 23rd of March at the London's Business Design Centre, which is in Islington. We've been before and we always have a stall there, which we really enjoy seeing everybody. Our stall is going to be at H52. So come and say hello.
Yeah, it's so nice to meet people. Obviously we don't have like a brick and mortar shop anymore, so it's so nice to get the opportunity to speak to you guys. We'll all be there different days. So come and say hello. It's lovely to meet you. And do you want to say what you can buy from us?
Yes. So our patterns are online usually, all PDF patterns. So for the Stitch Festival, we bring this product, which is all of the pattern pieces that you'll need, printed off in the AO sheets, with your instructions printed off as well in one envelope, ready to take away from the Stitch Festival.
Yeah, that's it. And then excitingly as well, we've done this for a couple of years now, so you might have heard of it before, but we also offer a pre-order service. So we don't bring every single pattern to the show because it's actually impossible. And we've got over 200 patterns, we can't do it.
And we have had a history of breaking shelves at festivals with our patterns.
It's true.
So
it's a safety issue. We don't bring all of them, we bring bestsellers, new patterns. But what you can do is you can pre-order your pattern, and that is for any of our patterns. You can place a pre-order, it'll be the same price that it would be at the show. You'll get it in exactly the same printed format, and you just come and collect it from us, and it avoids any heartbreak because we've not brought the pattern or we've sold out of the pattern, because we always sell out of patterns every single year. And if there's a specific one that you want, then you just know that you've got it. We'll bring it and you can just come and pick it up from us. That's it. So anything else to say, I think?
No, I think that's it. So yeah, come and find us, H52, come and say hello, come and chat, all sewing things.
We'll have our samples there to browse through as well. I think that's really nice to see like what garments look like made up. You can notice the lines and the darts and things like that.
If you've got a selection of patterns that you really want to grab from us on the day, then make sure you get your pre-order in and we can have them all ready for you.
Bye!